Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2022 Forest River Georgetown GT5 31L5 model. Great two-slide floor plan, new Ford V8 7.3 liter gas motorhome. Let's get started. Take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time a new camper goes on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors, so make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot in Yorktown, you want to see this one or another RV in person, please ask for Scott. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, standing at the entry door up front looking in. See, we got the bamboo interior, fossil maple wood color. Got your refrigerator, fireplace, nice little pass through to the bedroom. We'll start up front. With that being said, you've got the bunk over the cab. It is electric, so I'll show you that down and made into a bed. And your bunk in the down position. You've also got the safety net here that attaches on either corner. So if you did have gear up here, you want to keep somebody from rolling out, you've got that. And then again, touch of a button raises the bed up out of the way. Ladder is in the outside compartment. I'll show you that. And then you got plenty of room, headroom anyway, around those chairs. Got your overhead cabinetry. As for your seating area, new Ford chassis gives you a new look up front, larger touchscreen that handles your backup and side cameras. You've got your battery boost, your standard, your AC hookup, your leveling jacks. You have power shades up front. So your blackout shade there, again, is electric. Your side shades are manual. You got a charging area up in the corner, your speakers and your map lights. For your passenger seat, you got a cup holder. Nice little cubby hole there for storage. A little workstation. Phone charging area. You got 3 of those for your phones, iPads, whatever you need. You also have charging areas here. So nice setup there. You've got a plug here for your table. We'll take a look at that, and that's a nice area because these 2 chairs do turn around, give you a little bit more sitting area for guests. All right, there's both chairs spun around with the table in the middle. Moving to the dinette, you've got that nice dream dinette there, drops down. We'll take a look at that, made into a bed. There's the cushion there for it. All right, with the table, the easiest thing to do is pull those cushions out. You'll see you got 2 seat belts here on the forward facing, none on the rear facing, but you got storage in there. This little dream dinette, you pull the lever, drops down, and then you'll lock that lever again. Now you got a nice level base dinette in the bed position. And you can also leave this down. You got a nice lounge area driving down the road. Nice and comfortable seating. You've got storage underneath. Again, day and night shades. So nice roller shades, and your windows all the way around open. Cup holders on the table. We'll stick in this area. You've got your countertop extension. It's nice solid surface. Dual stainless steel sinks. Nice faucet there. And again, you still got the roller shades. Nice backsplash around that 3-burner Suburban range. It is gas. Large oven. Tons of drawers and storage space down low. There's your fuse panel. Overhead, you've got nice storage up top. We mentioned the bed. Here's the controls for that. And then you've got your touch panel here for your slides, generator, everything in one area. Battery disconnect down low. You got receptacle. Staying in the kitchen. Convection microwave oven. More storage. Norcold 18 cubic foot. And you're looking gas and electric on the refrigerator freezer there. You're just looking up in the area. You've got your wine guard gateway with the Wi-Fi booster built in. AC ducts. You've got an exhaust fan, a max air fan. Your first AC. Your Thomas Paine theater seats. You've got 4 seat belts. You also have dividers with cup holders and charging areas. Again, you still get the roller shades. All of the feet kick out on the theater seats. You've got overhead lights and storage. You got receptacles, your fireplace, TVs at a good angle for viewing for the theater seats. Your sound bar, you got Bluetooth, USB hookups there. Receptacle and charging areas and your HDMI hookup. You do have the ability to close off this area using the bathroom door. Nice large shower, overhead skylight. And then your bathroom. Nice deep countertops. Medicine cabinet. Again, day and night roller shades with the exhaust fan. Heat duct, receptacles, and you still get an AC duct as well. Solid door to close off the bedroom and bathroom. King size bed, nice soft touch headboard with charging areas on both sides. Day-night shades and windows that open. You got good space to get around either side. Your second AC is ducted. Your first cabinet, you've got your washer dryer combo unit. Again, another countertop area with charging, windows, storage hidden behind the TV. Got deep drawers, fuse panel, and then you still get a large wardrobe even with the washer dryer combo. So your brand new 2022 Forest River Georgetown 31L5. 2 slides, gas motorhome, a new Ford V8. We'll work our way outside, take a look out there. All right, moving outside, you see your black partial paint. We are looking at the new Ford V8 7.3 liter gas engine. Little changes on the recessed lighting. Georgetown logo up on the top of the windshield. Side cameras down low in your blind spot. We are looking at Michelin 22.5 inch tires. Your LP bottle. Slide toppers over your slide outs. Your 5500 generator, your inverter technology, your side opening compartment doors, again nice thick slam latch, pass through, your water hookup area's got outside shower, your sewer connection, your black tank flush, and you can feed everything right through the bottom. Fuel fill, 50 amp cord, again feed that through the bottom. Your cable connection, your converter charger, again more pass-through storage. Nice spot for storing that ladder for the front bunk. Receiver on the back with 7-way pin, 5,000 pound tow rating. Backup camera. Moving around to the campsite, you got a little bit larger storage area here on the other side of that pass-through. LP quick connect for winterization. You've got your bypass in there for your water heater. Nice and well insulated. Full length power awning with LED lights. Shielded cover. Water filtration, you can see it is winterized right now. Back side of your refrigerator, your furnace. Again, charging area, receptacles, hookup for a TV. You got your outside TV here with your outside speakers, your Jensen Bluetooth connection here. Sync your phone to that. Battery compartment, hydraulics for your leveling. Nice large assist handle. Again, the partial black exterior paint. Brand new 2022 Forest River Georgetown GT5 series, the 31L5. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot in Yorktown, you want to see this in person, please ask for Scott. All right, with the slides in, so you got a nice hallway down the middle, full access to your refrigerator, to your bathroom area. Your bed kind of goes up under the cabinets, but you can still get in. Full access here. You can still make the dinette into a bed if you need to. So nice access with the slides in.